If you run a Shopify store, how many times do you open Shopify just to check your latest sales and maintain those records somewhere else? Order number, customer details, product purchase, quantity, total amount, and much more. Doing this manually for every single sale becomes repetitive very quickly. So I automated the complete process. Now whenever a new order is placed on my Shopify store, its sales data is automatically added as a new row inside my Google Sheet in real time. I don't need to copy anything. I don't need to manually update my sales sheet. Shopify receives the order, the Google Sheets gets updated automatically. And as you can already see on your screen, this automation is running live in the background. Now you may ask, Shopify already stores my orders, so why should I sync them with Google Sheets? Because many businesses use a spreadsheet for internal sales tracking, reporting, sharing records with their team, analysis order, or using that data in another business processes. And if you are receiving multiple Shopify orders every day, manually maintaining another sales sheet does not make any sense. So whether you receive 5 orders, 50 orders, or hundreds of orders, you don't have to manually transfer every new sales record. And you know what makes this even more interesting? That I created this complete Shopify to Google Sheets automation without writing a single line of code. And the tool behind this complete automation is Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation platform that's help you to connect different applications and automate repetitive business processes without coding. For this workflow, I have connected Shopify with Google Sheets. Shopify is our trigger application because that's where our new sales is coming from. And Google Sheet is our action application because that's where we want to automatically maintain our sales data. And Pabbly Connect works between these two applications, automatically transferring the required order information from Shopify to Google Sheets. And the best part is you can create this exact workflow along with me using the Pabbly Connect free trial. So first, create the workflow, connect your Shopify store, place a test order, and see your sales information automatically appearing inside Google Sheets. And after trying Pabbly Connect, if you find the tool useful and creates a mind to purchase its subscription plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get an amazing discount on both the yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's start the creation of this workflow. Alright, if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. I am an existing user of Pabbly, so I'll click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. And it will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows. For creating a new workflow, you need to click on this plus create workflow button. So there are 3 ways to create a workflow inside Pabbly Connect. All of these are best, but in this tutorial I'm going to create a workflow using Quick Builder because it is the smartest and the fastest way. As soon as I click on that option, this Connect task studio is going to be appeared in front of me. Here you can give a single line prompt on your own words and will automatically create a workflow for you. I'll show you how it will work. See, as soon as I send the prompt, auto sync Shopify sales data to Google Sheets in real time. It analyzes my request and asks me which Shopify V2 trigger should start this workflow that I am selecting as new order. After that, it is asking me about the Google Sheets action that I am selecting as add new row. And see, within a second, it will automatically create a workflow for me and asking me for my approval. So I'll click on this approve and create button and see our workflow is created successfully. Now I'm going to open this workflow. Look at this. I got the exact applications that I want, that is Shopify and Google Sheets. You can also rename your workflow from here if you want to. After getting the application, we need to make a connection between our account and Pabbly Connect. So for that, you need to click on the application and it will provide you one webhook URL. Also the steps mentioned below, that how you can connect your Shopify account with Pabbly Connect. At first, I'm copying this webhook URL from here and now I'm going to take you to my Shopify account. See, this is my Shopify account, and for making a connection connection between Pabbly Connect and Shopify, you need to click on the settings option. After that, click on this notifications option. Here you will find out one option by the name of webhooks. Just click on it. After that, just scroll down and you will see one option by the name of plus create webhook. Just click on it. Select the event from here as order creation, format as JSON, and paste the webhook URL in this field that you have copied from your workflow. After pasting the webhook URL, next the webhook API version I am selecting as latest and clicking on this save button. See, our webhook is saved successfully. Now I am clicking on this recapture webhook response button for getting the test data. Now I am going to my Shopify store. See, this is my online store, and let's say I want to purchase this butterfly necklace, so I am clicking on its buy it now button. See, this time I have entered my first name as test and last name as user and all the test details. After that, I'll click on this pay now button and see my order is successfully completed and I have received the receipt too. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. Here you just have to wait for a few seconds and you will see I have successfully receives the response with all the details that I have entered while purchasing this butterfly necklace. This confirms that the connection between Shopify and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly and the setup of our trigger application is completed. Moving forward, we have our action application as Google Sheets. Now for making a connection between your Google Sheets account and Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this connect button, click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. Provide the permission to Pabbly Connect, and this is how easily you can connect your Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. Moving forward, in this field you need to select the spreadsheet that I am selecting as Shopify order details. See, as soon as I have selected the spreadsheet here, automatically all the fields that I have added inside this sheet is going to be appear here in the form of field. I have already created this spreadsheet before inside my Google Sheets account by the name of Shopify order details. It contains the columns such as name, email, order ID, item purchase, amount, address, city, and much more. Now in each of these fields, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from this previous application, that is this Shopify. To do the mapping, you need to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in front of this name field, I am going to do the mapping of customer's full name, that is test user. Here I have mapped. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As different customers have different data, so for capturing each customer's data dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, automatically when a new order is captured through Shopify, then this data will change based on the new input. And I have mapped only some fields here, but you can map more. The process of doing mapping will be the same, and here my objective is only to teach you how you can create an automation by using Pabbly Connect. After successfully doing the mapping in each of these fields, I'll click on the save and send test request button and you will see I have received the positive response. Now let's check our Google Sheet to see whether a new row is added or not. See, automatically a new test row is added inside our Google Sheet with all the test data that I have mapped in each of these fields. This confirms that our action step is also working perfectly. And I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. Now our workflow is completed. So this is how easily you can sync Shopify sales data to Google Sheets in real time by using Pabbly Connect. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing integration, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. And this is just one example. By using the same tool, you can integrate thousands of other applications based on your own business use case. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own online Shopify stores too. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.